name is Samantha O'Neal, welcoming Amber Ingram and Jordan Nicole O'Neal. Woo! Now, Jordan, shut up. We're doing Jordan. We're doing Jordan. You guys should just fight.
Sammy, you wanna? No.
Let's go, people. Amber thinks she knows Kung Fu. Amber thinks she knows Kung Fu, but she really does not so. Oh, let's get a shot on that booty. Woo!
Wait, what is that cockroach?
Cockroach! They're just trying to kill each other today. Now, you see, these girls are wildly crazy. This people is what you get when people steal people's boyfriends. Now she's humping her leg. And Jordan's crying on the floor. And Jordan's giving it a go.
I love it. Oh, and I'm Godzilla. I'm Osmel. I'm Anthony. I mean Aaron.
Osmel is ugly. Woo!
Yes. Oh.
Now, girls, show me how you can shake it.
Do that one. Here we go. How do you do it? I don't know.
You go like this, like you go.
No, stop it. We're gonna see like.
Do get silly. The dance flow silly. The ladies gonna film it. Jordan got her booby punched. It's already flat as can be. There's a cockroach on Amber's head.
Yeah, right. What else can we do? I don't know, but there's a piece of hair in my mouth.
Now everybody, you see how crazy these girls are. They can bust move and shake it like they can drop it. Now drop it, girls. Come on, give me 50.
Hey, drop it. Already ready?
Go swimming. Woo!
I want to do it for real.
Come on, give me some smack. Give me some smack.
You're like.
Give me some smack. Woo! Good job, Theodore.
Talking nothing?
Let's go, people. Woo!
I'm gonna die. Okay, you guys want to see my boobs? They're growing. Look. Look at mine. Hold on.